Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you a revolutionary, mind-blowing way to create content about stuff you have no idea about, but still to be very descriptive. Now, for example here, what I mean is this picture that you're seeing in the back here is a picture of a kitchen. And when I scroll out here, you can see it's a website of a client that wants us to create social media posts for them. And they've given you a website with not as much descriptive content written on it. As you can see, here's the kitchen and all that. How am I supposed to know how to create content on that makes sense? Well, I'm going to show you that process here, and it's going to blow your mind. I'm going to show you how to easily be able to do that here. Now, again, why is this important? Let's say you're a social media manager. You are not the subject matter expert, so you do not have an idea on all the details that your clients are giving you in their galleries or folders for you to post. Well, what we're going to do here is use a phenomenal tool to identify what's in the picture and then also use AI to create the content all in one sitting. This will help you overcome creative blocks. You'll be able to create descriptive content as if you know exactly what you're talking about. More so, you could save time by not always having to call your client and say, hey, can you shed more light on what that is before we post it? By leveraging this method, you are going to be accurate and look exactly like you know what you're doing. You'll be able to create great and descriptive content in any industry without being the subject matter expert. So if you're ready to see how to use this very cool method of using AI to create content about nothing you know about, let's dive in. All right, so here we are here on a website for a client that we post social media content for. And as you can see here, they have different pictures. And when you go, you can see that these pictures are wonderful, but not a lot of them have descriptions exactly about what's going on in the kitchen. So I'll click here and you'll see that. Beautiful stuff, but nothing's telling me, as you can see right here, what this is about. And so how am I supposed to be tasked, not being a subject matter expert, not knowing about kitchens, to know exactly what I'm going to post here? And that could prove to be a huge, big problem if whoever is giving you content is not being as descriptive enough. And think about it. How many people have that time? They are busy doing their own work. They're not creating galleries for you. And so what makes you then unique and shine is to know exactly how to create content for them. So I'll show you a very unique way here that's just going to blow your mind into pieces on how you can absolutely do that. So first thing is, let's pick a kitchen here. And I love this. This looks just amazing, as you could see. But again, I don't know anything about this. I just know the kitchen has an island. What it's made out of, I don't understand. So what am I going to do here? I'm simply going to right click it right there. And then you see where it says search with Google Lens. That's what I'm going to do, search with Google Lens. Now let's see what Google Lens tells us here. So as you can see, it brings up a whole bunch of these pictures that look similar to the kitchen. As a matter of fact, as you can see, it brings up a recent post we've created about the kitchen. But if I wanted to create this post, what would I do? Or if I want to know more about this kitchen again, what do? I simply go in here and say, tell me about this kitchen, and watch the magic happen right here. So as you can see, it says this kitchen features a modern design with white shakers cabinets, a dark countertop, and stainless steel appliances. It boasts a large island with seating, perfect for casual dining or entertaining. The wood flooring, as you can see, adds warmth to the space, while the pendant light brings a touch of sophistication. I know nothing about this. I don't know about a pendant light. I know there are wood floors there, the white shaker cabinets. I don't know that, So it lets you know how you can easily know or find out about products that you don't know about, right? So I'm just going to do another one here. Let's go out. How about this? We're going to right click it again and search with Google Lens and see what we get. And then we say, tell us about this part of this kitchen. And let's see what it says again with the generative AI. So this part of the kitchen features, wow, look at that. IKEA's Axtad matte white cabinets. They have a simple design with an inset panel that can fit in both modern and traditional kitchens. The foil finish is smooth, moisture resistant, stain resistant. Look at all that. So it's giving me all this information that I could simply now then go create content on. Now, what's going to even take it to a different level for you is we're going to go back here again and let's say search with Google Lens again and say, tell us about this kitchen. It's going to give us more information just like it did earlier. And once I figure that out, see, it says now it has white shaker cabinets, dark countertops, large island, stainless steel appliances, hardwood flooring, pendant lighting, open layout. All the great stuff that I need to know. And what then can I do? I can go right back here and say, can you create a social media post for this kitchen with emojis and hashtags telling them to contact us to upgrade their kitchen. Misspelled it, but let's see what happens. So here it is. It's generating, and there we go. Tired of outdated kitchen? Transform your cooking space into a culinary haven with our expert kitchen renovations. Check out this stunning transformation we did in Arlington Heights. Contact us today for a free consultation. Let's create the kitchen of your dreams. Now, see, that's quite generic, right? Now, we're going to say create a social media post for this kitchen mentioning the special features in the kitchen, and let's see what happens. And so the whole idea, again, is that right on the same page that you're here, you can create content. So there we go. Upgrade your kitchen to a chef's dream. This stunning kitchen features sleek white cabinetry, a gorgeous dark countertop island, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Plenty of natural light, ample storage, and a modern design. Make this the perfect space for cooking and entertaining. Contact us today for a free consultation. And as you can see, there are no emojis there. So again, it goes to the fact that you have to be specific with this. Now, another way you could go about this is also to simply go to Google, and I'll show you how. So let's say we go to Google here. You will notice the lens icon here. And so with the lens icon, I could simply drag the image into here, as you can see, add to your search. And now I can even be a little bit more specific with the posts. As you can see, I could decide to do the whole kitchen, or I could just do a little part of the kitchen. So I could then again say, tell me about this kitchen. And it already gives you that. And as you can see here under Search Labs AI Overview, it gives me, again, a summary of what this kitchen can boast of when you are creating content in social media. So it lets you know the different ways that you could do that. You could say, create a social media post about the features in this kitchen with emojis and hashtags. And let's see the outcome here. Feast your eyes on this stunning modern kitchen, sleek white cabinets, dark countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Create a chic and timeless look. The large island is perfect for gathering with friends and family while cooking up a storm. And as you can see there. So the moral of the story is you don't need to go to different places to try to figure out stuff on the content that you are posting on. You could simply go and use Google Lens, whether you're using it on the website or whether you are just dragging and dropping it into Google itself using the Google Lens feature to be able to describe the object so that you can then create a post about it. And you don't have to create a post about it here. Once you ask about the features of the kitchen, you could simply go into another AI tool and then just say, hey, these are the features of a kitchen. Create a social media post about it for me for this company. And then boom, you're golden. But I wanted to share that hack that a lot of you probably have no clue or no idea about on how to do it. And so this goes for you being a subject matter expert and still not even knowing all about what you have to offer. For example, I could be selling this kitchen now and know half of the things in there and not know everything in there. And now this tool has given me the opportunity to do that. So now I start to look smart and like I know what I'm doing to my clients and whoever I'm assisting and even to the public that's digesting the content. I hope this was helpful and not just that, mind-blowing. Like this is huge. If you find the video helpful, subscribe to our channel, like the video so you can continue to see helpful content that just makes your life easier. Till next time, take care.